at the northwestern edge of China's Taklamakan Desert, known as the Sea of Death, an oasis city emerges in 20 years. About some 10 kilometers north of the downtown, there's an ancient city built on mountains, with beacon towers on the peak and inscriptions on precipices. Both the 20-year-old modern city and the ancient city are parts of Tunxuk City in China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. The ancient relics, which locals call Tangwangcheng, that is Tangking City, date back some 2,000 years.
它处这个地位是丝绸之路古老丝绸上一个关键的节点，包括外来的佛教，包括这个它作为中原王朝经营西域，是吧？这些内涵都是需要通过考古的工作把它揭示出来的。
Envoys, merchants, farmers, overseas sinologists, and archaeologists have left their footprints here, and these heritages have empowered the city's modern development. Since the founding of the People's Republic of China in 1949, the central government has mobilized people to develop Xinjiang's desert regions, including today's Tunxuk and its surrounding regions. People reclaimed land, dug canals, built houses and roads, and planted crops and trees step by step. Tunxuk currently has a 50% coverage rate of urban green areas. It had built 6 reservoirs, with a designed total storage capacity of 830 million cubic meters by 2022. The city's population has grown from 110,000 when it was established in 2004 to over 300,000 now. Yan Panning, a guide with Xinjiang Reclamation History Museum, said in recent years, more and more people have visited the museum to learn about Tunxuk's profound history.
随着这几年城市的发展，来到咱们馆参观的人也越来越多了。而后呢，就是一些人通过不知道到逐渐了解到深入了解这么一个由浅及深的过程，也是对咱们土木书课的历史乃至于整个新疆的一个屯垦历史有一个比较全面的了解。